How to make an Instagram carousel with multiple photos or videos. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram. You'll be directed to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find the fin option. Navigate to the plus option given at the bottom middle. Now set it to post. Now click on this carousel icon. Now select multiple pictures and videos. You can select up to 10 pictures or videos. Now from this page, you are able to add the music. At the bottom, you're going to find the fun music options, or you can reorder this carousel. Once you do that, click on next. Now from here, you can customize these, add a caption, tag people, add music, audience, likewise add location, and you can share it. So this is how you can easily make an Instagram carousel. This was really simple and quick process. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.